From the inventor of both the porta potty and the cassette toilet, Thetford is an innovative market leader of high quality cooking and kitchen appliances, refrigeration accessories and sanitation systems in the global RV market. Thetford has the products for all your caravanning needs, from bathroom to laundry, all the way through to your waste management by liquefying waste for easier tank emptying, making sure that every flush is taken care of. With scents like pine, lavender, citrus and the brand new True Blue scent of eucalyptus, you will be pleasantly surprised with their range. Thetford are both economically and environmentally conscious with a range of toilet care products you can be assured are of first-class quality. Alongside a 3-year shelf life from date of manufacture, you are using the only brand recommended for Thetford toilets. To help keep your toilet performing, we have a number of toilet care products available for your wastewater, grey water and flush water that now come in a concentrated line, in a more convenient and compact package to save on space without compromising on performance. Thetford also offers a range of maintenance products from plastic cleaners to a fast soluble toilet paper specifically designed for your Thetford toilet system. For more information, go to www.thetford.com.au.